XLK, Selected Spider Trust Technology. And why do we look at these? They're important because it's part of the NASDAQ 100. It's, what makes us go higher are some of those leading technology stocks. Once again, Tech had run a great course, as it did, and this is a major yearly update, and it's one of the bigger performers today in the overall trend. Over here, when we made this bottoms in this long short right through here, unlike anything else, it always takes technology. Usually what you have is one gap, two, you have all these gaps on daily here, okay? It just doesn't move a lot in one day, but it's very important to understand that we're going to hit a wall of resistance. You can make money on these when you're buying down here at the lows. I mean, it's still a place to be just to get a return. You don't get super rich. The most important thing about it is how we have leveraged up on every one of these gap sequences right here. So MMTs, this is going to be the next wall of resistance. When we hit a wall of resistance in these spider trust-like technology sectors, is that if it falls weak at this next resistance levels, that will hold true that the NASDAQ 100 would be hitting the NASDAQ in itself and the composite. They would be hitting resistance levels too. Once again, it's a yearly update. Spider technology. Bullish to resistance with gap sequences. They all started right here. And most of it started off of the jobs report and all of the information out of Europe with bad earnings and less than 2% growth. It doesn't matter. Mathematical high-frequency buy and sell tapes have these kinds of moves, and you want to take advantage of them so you know exactly what side of the market. We'd like you to visit our page at the Market Maker Trading School. It'll talk about high-frequency trading. It'll tell you lots of things that you can learn about. Not only that, high-frequency trading course tab is here. Let us show you the way, because it's important for you to understand all of these various different sectors that are tied to the broader indexes and individual leadership equity names as well. XLK, once again, I can tell you, all of them have been doing well today. And they broke out from Friday jobs report, and they continued to go higher on a Monday. So we're going to hit the wall of resistances on a lot of these Spider Trust and a lot of the other ETFs that are related to technology as well, and sectors and indices. Stay tuned. One thing that we would like to let you know is that on the website, you can simply go to stock indices here. You click on this tab, and you're going to get lots of updates or ones that were related to it so that you can stay up to date. And we put this here for our MMTs so that they can go back and review what they were doing with their live entries and exits. Everything is done during live market hours. Once again, we welcome you to our new developed and launched website. We wanted to bring navigation to you. We wanted to bring the real live trading to you. We wanted to bring you high frequency. We want to bring you and let you join our Market Maker School. There are lots of things we do for you. Once again, MMTs, we're going to hit that wall of resistance, and we're going to look and see if we come right back up to the top of where the original reversal was in the calendar 2012 structure in the XLK technology.